English-Uighur Conversation Part 1 İngilizce-Uygurca sözlüşiş 1. kısım 1. By bus 1. bölek Avtobus düşüş 1. I get on the bus at First Street. Men 1. koçuda avtobusga çıkmam. 2. I get off the bus at 10th Street. Men 10. koçuda avtobustan düşümem. 3. We get on the train in New York. Biz New York'ta poyozga çıktık. 4. We get off the train in Chicago. Biz Chicago'da poyozdan düşümüz. 5. They get on the streetcar at 4th Avenue. Ular 4. yolda tramvayga çıktı. 6. They get off the streetcar at 7th Avenue. Ular 7. yolda tramvaydan düşüdü. 7. He gets on the plane at 10 a.m. O düştün burun saat 10'da aeroplana çıktı. 8. He gets off the plane at 1 p.m. O düştün keyin saat 1'de aeroplandan düşüdü. 9. She gets on the boat in New York. O New York'ta kemiga çıktı. 10. She gets off the boat in Southampton. O Janubi Amiton'da kemiden düşüdü. 11. Where do I get on the bus? Men avtobusga qayerdan çıktım? 12. At 19th Street. 19. koçadan. 13. Where do I get off the bus? Men qayerda avtobusdan düşümem? 14. At 31st Street. 31. koçada. 15. There are many people in the city. Şehirde nurgun adam var. 16. The people live in homes in the city. Kişiler şehirdeki üylerde turdu. 17. There are a lot of seats in the buses. Avtobuslarda nurgun orun var. 18. We ride the bus to the station. Biz poyuz stansıga avtobusga çıkıp baramiz. 19. The bus takes them to the station. Avtobus ularni poyuz stansıga apırıp koydu. 20. There are a lot of buses on the streets. Koçularda nurgun avtobus var. 21. There are a lot of trains in the station. Poyuz stansıda nurgun poyuz var. 22. The bus is very crowded. Bu avtobus kıstançılık ekan. 23. We have to stand up in the bus. Biz avtobusda amalsız öğür tutuk. 24. That driver gives good service. Av şoför naiti yaxşı mülazimet kıldı ekan. 25. The bus drivers know the streets. Bu avtobus şoförleri koçularını biladi. 26. He expects to arrive at 9. O saat 9'da yetip berishni belgilagan. 27. We plan to get off the 4th Street. Biz 4. koçuda maşindan düşüşni planladık. 28. I want to read this book. Men bu kitapni o'qib chiqmoqchiman. 29. They hope to meet you at the station. Ular siz bilan poyez stansida ko'rishishni umid qildi. 30. They hope to eat in the restaurant this evening. Ular bugun kechda restoranda tamoq yeyishni umid qildi. 2. Daily life. 2. bölek. Gündelik turmuş. 1. I get up at 7 o'clock. Men saat 7'de o'rnimdan turaman. 2. I usually get up at 7:30. Men odatda saat 7:30da o'rnimdan turaman. 3. They have orange juice, toast and coffee. Ular apelsin şerbeti, bulka va qahva iste'mol qildi. 4. He has bacon and eggs for breakfast. U nashtada tuzlangan go'sht bilan tuxum yeydi. 5. We go to work after breakfast. Biz nashtadan keyin ishga boramiz. 6. He doesn't always drive his car. U pikapini doim haydamaydi. 7. I usually take the bus. Men odatda avtobusga o'tiraman. 8. He never takes the bus. U azaldan avtobus o'tirmaydi. 9. We never take the bus. Biz hech qachon avtobusda o'tirmaymiz. 10. It takes about 20 minutes to go downtown. Shaharga berish uchun 20 minut ketadi. 11. It takes about half an hour to get home. Uyga qaytishga taxminan 30 minut ketadi. 12. I usually have dinner at 7 o'clock. Men odatda kechki tomoqni soat 7 yeyman. 13. He sometimes watches television until 11 o'clock. U ba'zida soat 11gacha televizor ko'rdi. 14. We usually go to bed at 11 o'clock. Biz odatda soat 11da uxlaymiz. 15. He always go to bed at 12 o'clock. U doim soat 12da uxlaydi. 16. He takes a bath every day. U har kuni yuyinadi. 17. Do you dress before breakfast? Siz nashtadan burun kiyinib bo'lamsiz. 18. What time do you have breakfast? Siz soat nechida nashta qilasiz? Section 2. Daily life. İkinci bölek. Gündelik turmuş. 19. I have breakfast at 7. Men saat 7'de naşta qılaman. 20. Do you like bacon with breakfast? Siz naştada tuzlangan go'sht yeyishni yaxshi ko'ramsiz. 21. He always has eggs and bacon for breakfast. U doim tuxum bilan tuzlangan go'shtni Three. Shopping. Üçüncü bölek. Ners gerek sitveriş. 1. May I help you, sir? Efendim, yardımım gerek mi? 2. I'm looking for a suit. Men bir qur kiyim izlayapman. 3. What size suit do you wear? Siz qanday o'lchamda kiyim kiysiz? 4. Try on this coat. Bu paltoni kiyib beqing. 5. Why don't you try on this coat? Nima uchun bu paltoni kiyib boqmaysiz? 6. Take off your coat. Paltoyingizni siling. 7. Put on your coat. Paltoyingizni kiying. 8. Does this coat fit? Bu palto dal kelamdi? 9. The price is the same. Bahası o'xshash. 10. The material is the same. Materiali o'xshash. 11. The color is the same. Rangi o'xshash. 12. Let's take a look at this suit. Avu shim kostyumni ko'rib boqay. 13. I want to see about the price. Bahasini ko'rib boqay. 14. Is there a charge for that? Avu narsigimi haq ilinamdi? 15. Is there anything else you need? Sizga yana boshqa narsa kerakmi? 16. How much is that in all? Jami neçi bol. 17. I'll pick up the suit on Friday. Men bu kiyimni cuma günü ilip gitey. 18. The doctor will see you now. Doktor hazır kesilinizni gördü. 19. What size shoe do you wear? Siz nechinchi nomorluq oyoq kiysiz? 20. What size suit do you wear? Siz nechinchi nomorluq kostyum kiysiz? 21st. Put on your coat. It's cold outside. Paltoyunuzni kiyiviling. Sırt nayit soğuk. 22. Are these coats all the same price? Bu paltolarning bahası oxşamdı. 23. This suit doesn't fit. It isn't the right size. Bu kiyim del kemmidi. Onun ölçümü to'g'ri emasken. 24. This coat isn't the right length. Bu palto yeterlik uzun emasken. 25. Is this cash or charge? Naqd pul to'lanamdi yoki hisobga yezib qo'yilamdi? 26. I don't have very much cash now. Hozir menda ko'p naqd pul yo'q. 27. Some stores take cash only. Ba'zi magazinlar naqd pul oladi. 28. I like to pay for things by check. Men narsa kerakka chek to'lashni xohlayman. 29. How long will it take to fix the car? Bu pick-upni remote qilishga qanchalik vaqt ketadi? 30. I have to measure the room. Bu uyni o'lchab boqmasam bo'lmaydi. 31st. These trousers are too long. Do you have another pair? Bu ishtonlar bek uzun ekan. Sizlarda boshqalardan bormi? 32. I'm looking for a tie. Men bir galstuk izlayapman. 33. The sleeves of this coat are too long. Bu paltoning yanglari bek uzun ekan. 34. Are you comfortable in that chair? O'rindiqda o'ltirsangiz rahatlanamsiz? 35. Are you looking for a particular book? Siz bir alayda kitap izlayapsizmi? 36. Where the trousers go with this coat? Bu paltoga yarışadigan ishtonlar nada? 37. What kind of shirt do you want? Sizga qaysi xildagi ko'ylak lazım? 38. What kind of suit are you looking for? Siz qaysi xildagi kiyimlarni izlayapsiz? 39. The material in the two suits is the same. Bu ikki xil kiyimning materiali o'xshash. 40. Don't put on your hat in the house. Uy ichida shlap kiymang. 41. Don't take your coat off because it's cold. Hava nayt soğuk. Paltoyingizni sanmang. 42. Take off your old coat and try on this one. Ko'ni paltoyingizni silib etib, buni kiyib beqing. 43. The price of new cars are very high. Yangi pick-uplarning bahasi nayt yuqori. 44. I'll have to pick up my friend at 8:30. Men 8:30da do'stimni qarshi olib bormasam bo'lmaydi. 4. Traveling. 4. bo'lak. Sayohat qilish. 1. The United States is a big country. Amerika bir cho'ng davlat. 2. How far is it from Canada to Mexico? Kanadadan Meksika qanchalik yiroqlikda? 3. How far is it from the east coast to the west coast? Sharq dengiz sohilidan g'arbiy dengiz sohili qanchalik yiroqlikda? 4. How far is it from New York to Chicago? New York'tan Chicago qanchalik yiroqlikda? 5. It's about 2800 miles. U taxminan 2800 İngiliz mil keldi. 6. It's about 1600 miles. U taxminan 1600 İngiliz mil keldi. 7. It's about 6 hours by plane. Aeroplan bilan taxminan 6 saat vaqt ketadi. 8. It's about 18 hours by train. Poyezda 18 saat ketadi. 9. Cotton is an important crop in the south. Paxta janubning muhim ziraati. 10. Wheat is an important crop in the Midwest. Buğday O'rta G'arbning muhim ziraati. 11. Making cars is an important industry in Detroit. Pickup yasash Detroitning muhim sanayati. 12. Meat packing is an important industry in Chicago. Qasaplık kasbi Chicago'nun muhim sanayati. 13. The weather is cold in the north. Shimalning havası soğuk. 14. The weather is hot in the south. Janubning havası ıssiq. 15. Houston is the largest city in the south. Houston janubdagi eng chong shahar. 16. A lot of cotton grow in the south. Kevaz janubda ko'p o'stirildi. 17. Do many vegetables grow here? Bu yerda ko'ktat ko'p o'stiriladi. 18. The sun rises in the east. Quyosh sharqdan ko'tarildi. 19. Would you rather live in the east or the west? Siz sharq tarafda o'tirishni yaxshi ko'ramisiz yoki g'arb tarafdami? 20. Los Angeles is the largest city in the west. Los Angeles g'arb tarafdagi eng chong shahar. 21. There are many national parks in the west. G'arb tarafda nurg'un davlat bog'chalari bor. 22. New York is the largest port city on the east coast. New York sharq dengiz sohilidagi eng chong port shahri. 23. Philadelphia is an important river city. Philadelphia bir muhim ishki daryo porti. 24. What is the most important port city in your country? Davlatingizdagi eng muhim port shahri qaysi? 25. Vegetables and fruits are the most important crops here. Ko'ktat bilan meva-cheva bu yerdagi eng muhim ziraat. 26. They raise sheep and cattle in the west. Ular g'arbda qo'y bilan kala boqadi. 27. Is there any mining in your country? Davlatingizda muhim qonchilik bormi? 28. Fishing is my favorite sport. Biliq tutish men yaxshi ko'radigan tanharkat. 29. Can you describe the scenery in your country? Siz davlatingizning manzarasini tasvirlab bera olamsiz? 30. It's hard to describe the United States because it's so big. Amerikaning doirasi bek cho'ng bo'lgach tasvirlamak qiyin. 31st. I'm tired and I can't walk any farther. Yerib ketdim. endi hergiz mağanmayman. 32. There are many factories around New York. New York'ның atrapıda nurgun zavut var. 33. I hope to see you at school next year. Men sizni kelajili mektepte görüşni ümit kılıman. 34. I have a cousin in New York and a friend in San Francisco. New York'ta bir nevri akam var. San Francisco'da bir dostum var. Men ulanı yoklığılı barman. 35. I'll see you in Washington. Men siz bilen Washington'da görüşmen. 36. It takes about 5 days to go from the US to Europe by ship. Amerika'da kiyimiga düşüp Avrupa'ga berişqa 5 gün ketidi. 37. It's about 3,000 miles from the east coast to the west coast. Şarkı deniz sahilden G'arbi deniz sahiliga tahminen 3000 İngiliz mil ketidi.